So as you know, purple lines, 15-minute displacement, my 15-minute displacement. So this is my first big mistake right here. I used this candle as my displacement candle just because it as I was watching it, it wanted to give bullish so bad, but it couldn't. For some reason, it couldn't, whatever reason. Because I mean, we are bearish, but it couldn't. Looked on the 5 minute. Okay, cool. 1 minute. This is me. Hold on, wait. Right there. Failed. I tried to get in another time. I don't even think I took this one. Another fail. No, I didn't even take this one. I got in right here. The CM right here. Stopped out. Went down. I came back. I know I kept coming back, but I hate being wrong. Like, I didn't even care about the money, and I'm not gonna lie, or definitely over leveraged on my funded today. But I made back my major loss, but some of my major loss. I lost about. I don't want to drop numbers, but I lost a good amount of money on Monday. But I already made back. I'm just 200 shy, $200 shy of making it back up, so I'm not really worried. I seen this happen, and this move was the actual move I should have waited for. In all honesty, right here, you see that we're selling. This is our new dealing range above the 50. This purple line right here, price broke that. I needed a rebalance into my entry. Came in. And so it's the funny part is because I was already down, I was like, I'm gonna come out early. As you can see, I came out early. Let me come out of replay. I came out early. And it's a good thing I did. And as you can see, right here, I showed you that. That was my first entry. And right here, I tried to get in again and tried to get it again. And I finally got it right here. Finally got it right here. Excuse my notifications. I finally got it right here. And I wouldn't even say finally because I went for technically a 1%, which is very, very rare. The structure I wanted to go for was is 1 minute low, but I already knew the time we was approaching. As you can see, it was 11:54. At 12 o'clock, I already know these new buys was coming in. Let's look. 12. Bang. Started going up. 12. Right here. It's 12 a.m. I mean 12 p.m. Like literally what stopped me out is the 12 p.m. rush. So I got out here. I was able to literally cover all the losses from these what 3 trades prior to my the trade that I should have took. I was able to cover those losses for one, and then even more profit on top of that. So I came out of the day really, really good. It was good on coming out with profit side, but on execution, but my execution today was like a two. I'm not gonna lie to you. My execution today was a two on a scale of 1 to 10, bro. Like it was piss poor for real. So yeah, like and I don't sound too hype because it's like, bro, I didn't follow the rules. I followed the like I feel like following the rules late. is still a form of disrespect. Like, yeah, I eventually followed my rule, like, oh, displacement on the 15, premium entry, whoop-de-whoop, cool. But you should have did that the first time, like you should have did that the first time. Like now you this could have been a full profit day. Now it's just uh, whatever. Like you see what I'm saying? Because you wanted to follow your rules late. So it's just it's learning. It's learning. Uh what I did say would help today, on which I've been implementing more, on my open range highs and lows. My open range high. I think I removed the open range low because it obviously swept that. But I already know what my open range high was. My open range high was this, and my open range low was literally an intermediate low. And once it swept that, I know I was looking for. That was just more sell confirmation. I already know we were selling, though. I didn't need any more confirmation than just knowing. So now the market is about to go into a rebalancing phase to basically cover back all of this. Not probably not all of this, but this is what needs to be covered right now. That's the imbalance right there. And this phase is in right now is simply the rebalance. And it can get tricky when you're trading the rebalance because the rebalance could literally turn around at any point. You see what I'm saying? I mean, price could always turn back at any point, so that's just what it is, though. And I was literally, and the fact that I marked out what the rebalance was, and I literally was trading the rebalance of the 15 minute, but I should have been trading more so like into another imbalance on the sell side. But you're not gonna have a perfect day every day. I'm not gonna lie to you, but we came on top. I'm gonna see. I definitely over leveraged my funded account today. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna see if I breached any rules, which I was prepared. I was like, bro, if I lose the account, alright, it is what it is. Because I gotta take accountability. I was the one who was placing these trades. Nobody logged on to my trade of eight and press buy or sell for me. I did it, so I wouldn't have been mad. However, I did by over leveraging. I was able to literally cover more than 75% of the big loss from Monday. So I'm just focusing on keeping my account alive. And I don't even want to make, I don't even care to make the money. I just want to keep my account alive, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So yeah, today was kind of tricky. Even the displacement that my actual entry coming in so late in the day was like, oh wow, like what's really going on? Let me remove these drawings, you know. So it was a good day. It was a good day. Execution, like I said, a two. Confidence, 100, always. Even if I'm wrong, at least I'm strong and wrong. I know like okay, so. But it was a good day, good learning day.